What's up guys, Joe here. So episode 3 of the Prelude. Today we are going to be installing our one-piece headlights that I've had for years, and we're also installing a lip that I got off of Amazon. So we'll see how good the lip looks. Probably won't keep it, but for now we'll see. So anyway, let's get started. Like someone had put kind of like one of those little stereo system things in here at one point in time, right? Well, first off, they're running the ground to the actual ground. Power, right? 2 cables. Check this out. Let's follow them. See them? There's those two. Follow those cables. Where are they going? Oh, they go. No, they don't. Cables through. Look at this. Look at this. Would you just look at this?
Hi, Billy Mays here. But wait, there's more.
This. Oh, to add to it, they extended the wire with no fuse. Oh, this is just something else. This right here though. What the is this? What the No. No. Just no. No.
A few moments later.
Okay, so first I like to start with taking the two 10mm bolts off that are holding the bumper to the core support. Then I'll take the two 10mm bolts that are holding the bumper on from the corners. After that, I'll take the side markers out. After you remove the side markers and you look in between, you'll see two 14mm bolts that are holding the bash bar on. You want to remove those next. Then take the 14mm nut that is holding the bash bar on from the back side of the headlight. The entire bumper should come off in one piece. Next, you'll want to remove the 4 10mm bolts that are holding the headlight assembly onto the body. Now here's the tricky part of the JDM headlights. JDM headlights are an H4 bulb, as in the stock bulbs are 9006, and so the plugs are different, see here. To make this a plug-and-play operation, I went to the junkyard and cut an H4 headlight connector out of an early 2000 Civic. It cost me $1 a piece, and I'm going to solder that to the factory harness. We are going to match the colors and then snip the extra wire since we don't need that one. After sliding on some heat shrink and soldering these wires, we are just about ready to install the headlights. Quick test just to see if they're working.
A few moments later.
Alright, just a quick comparison between the JDM headlights and the USDM headlights. Man, do the JDM headlights look so much better. These are by far the cleanest set of JDM headlights I've ever owned.
Alright, so going to install the lights now. It's pretty simple. Okay, that's it for this episode. The Prelude is coming together nicely. Stay tuned for more episodes on the Prelude series, like installing the glass sunroof, fixing the audio, and shaving the bumper lights, coming soon.